Now, if Truman Burbank discovers that his entire life is a scripted reality show, he will attempt to escape or confront the creators. Now, Truman discovered that his entire life is a scripted reality show. Therefore, Truman Burbank will escape and confront the creators. This is what we call formal logic.
Good morning, Mr. Valdeva. Enough with the mornings, Mr. Burbank. Here's the new paperwork. I need it done by the end of this day. Got it, Truman?
Yes, sir.
Is this finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what's this? That's the wrong paperwork, Truman. I'll drop by later, okay? Okay, sir.
Boss?
He is making an announcement.
Ito na nga may kakilala ko, pangalan niya si Truman. Araw-araw pumapasok siya sa kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan. Araw-araw pare-parehas ang kanyang mga ginagawa. Sa isang iglap, bigla-biglaan na lang na iba. Nagugulo, nalilito ang utak ni Truman.
Ano?
Tinatanong na kung ano ba ang katotohanan. Nagugulo, nalilito ang utak ni Truman.
Bakit?
Ngayon ginagawa niya lahat upang may mapatunayan.
Oh, I miss my darling!
Honey, what are you doing here? It's currently office hours, for God's sake.
Why? Can I just see my darling if I want to? Plus, I heard of a script that's been stressing you out, so I wanted to help you out. Do you have anything that you'd like to help me with?
Script? How did you know about that script? That happened a few days ago.
What script? I didn't say a script.
You just said it a few seconds ago.
I don't know what you're talking about, Truman. I don't...
But you just said it. I heard it clearly with my own ears.
Truman, you're scaring me. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know something, Mira, but you're not telling it to me.
Truman?
It ain't together. Gotta focus.
Truman, calm down. Calm down!
Just tell me the truth, Meryl! I'm concerned about my surroundings right now! I'm questioning if everything is real, or all of you are just playing pranks on me!
Truman, you're using material logic on me, aren't you? Stop it! I've been your wife for years and you're still questioning my trust in you? You're questioning your reality and truth when you've been living the perfect life? Ano, hindi pa sapat yun?
Oh, come on! Give me a break! If you need me, I'll be in the cafeteria.
He's getting really close on us, boss. This wasn't in the contract.
Alert, all actors. Truman must not know the truth.
Affirmative.
From the start, tinanggap niya kung anong pinapakita sa kanya. Siyempre, yung reality na kanyang kiinilala. Now, metaphysics, kinekestyon na ang lahat. Ano ba ang gawa-gawa? Ano ba ang katotohanan?
Na-inlove siya sa isang babae dati kaso bigla itong nawala. Biglaan napalitan ng bagong mapapangasawa. Speaking of aesthetics, di hamak mas maganda yung una. Kaso itong pangalawa ay kasama sa cast din pala.
Nagugulo, nalilito ang utak ni Truman.
Ano?
Tinatanong na kung ano ba ang katotohanan. Nagugulo, nalilito ang utak ni Truman.
Bakit?
Ngayon ginagawa niya lahat upang may mapatunayan.
weird. Yesterday, he handed me a script with my name written on it. It says The Truman Show. It's a script. Then, earlier, my wife came in the office. She's questioning me about everything. She's acting all weird, man.
I don't know, man. You didn't care about these things before. Why now? Seems like a good story, but it's not really.
I feel like there's cameras everywhere. I feel like they're watching me. I feel like there's camera here, there, or even there.
Just
Ha! There's a microphone. See? They're recording me.
Man, you're going crazy, man. See, you're thinking too critically again. You're even using inductive reasoning from being specific to a general statement. Come on, man, you're going crazy.
Oh, come on, man. Give me a break. Maybe I'm going to Los Santos, Vice City, or even Liberty City. Just tired, man. Gotta go.
Yeah, whatever.
Boss, alert the whole town. Prepare them. Truman's about to go to vacation.
Sa 59 peso, Max-Saver Meals. Sulit!
Order now. McDonald's.
Ngayon, trinay niya magbakasyon out of the town. Pero kada palpak is really feeling down. Psychology ginamit sa kanya ng mga tao. Baliw daw siya at walang pagbabago. Nagugulo, nalilito, utak ni Truman. Tinatanong na kung ano ba ang katotohanan. Nagugulo, nalilito, utak ni Truman. Ngayon ginagawa niya lahat upang may napatunayan.
Sir, what's this?
That's the wrong people. I'll drop by here, okay?
You're using material logic on me, aren't you? Stop it! I've been your wife for years and you're still questioning my trust in you? You're questioning your reality and truth when you've been living the perfect life? Ano, hindi pa sapat yun?
See, you're thinking too critically again. You're even using inductive reasoning from being specific to a general statement. Come on, man, you're going crazy. Crazy.
They're really deceiving me. Everywhere I go, it fails. I need to know behind the truth all of this.
Truman? Hello, Truman. I see you know where to look now. By now, you are wondering what the hell is going on. You don't need to worry about that.
As long as you go on with your everyday routine,
your life will be just fine.
I don't care who you are, but I deserve to know the truth.
What truth? We are your truth, Truman.
You're all my truth.
What pathetic excuse is this?
All of us are actors.
There's a script with my name on it. Therefore,
I'm the main character of this show.
not just because you're playing, like God, you suddenly have control
All over me. It's like a corrupt government
who's expecting for everyone.
to follow them like puppets.
You're all that here. Deception is your
Truth.
And what are you gonna do, Truman?
I'm gonna run away and take the boat if I have to.
Alerting all cast members, Truman is not trying to escape.
Stop immediately.
So ito na nga si Truman nagbangka para lumakbay.
Naabot niya ang mga pader kung saan mahanap niya ang tunay na buhay.
Pinigilan siya ng mga tao yung cast sa kanyang show.
Pero di siya tumaliko, nagpatuloy. Here we go! Nagugulo, nalilito. Utak ni Truman. Ano? Tinatanong na kung ano ba ang katotohanan. Nagugulo, nalilito. Utak ni Truman. Bakit? Ngayon ginagawa niya lahat upang magpapalaya.
Truman, I wouldn't go out there if I were you, Truman.
Why not, Omnipotent One?
Because what you see in the outside world is much harsher than the reality you have been accustomed to for your whole life.
All I care is what is beyond, instead of being part of your phony television show.
I give up. It's now your choice, Truman.
It was nice knowing and working with you.
I bid you a good life outside.
I forgot to greet y'all. Good morning. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Now, if Truman Burbank discovers that his entire life is a scripted reality show, he will attempt to escape or confront the creators. Now, Truman discovered that his entire life is a scripted reality show. Therefore, Truman Burbank will escape and confront the creators. This is what we call formal logic. Pangit, pangit, pangit. Cut! Guys, cut! Pangit eh. Pangit yun. Hindi natin maano na... Ano ba tong... Ang pangit eh. Ano bang scene mamaya?
Check mo kung okay.
Tingin.
Okay naman yung, diba?
Retake natin kasi May parang something, may flair or something. AJ, kanina ka pa namin. Ngayon ka lang dumating, ha?
Bring natin.
Lunch break? Wala tayong lunch break. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa shooting. Guys, pack up na. Next scene. Next scene. Okay, pack up. Guys, ay, yung ilaw, guys. Yung ilaw.
Hi, Sophia!
Hi, Pat.
So, ginagawa namin ang aming critic project.
Yeah.
Ganda mo naman dyan.
Hi, vlog.
Ayun na si Truman!
I'm telling you, man.
It's a rock. Don't forget to push the notification button.
Comment down
It's a
below.
rock.
Ay, maganda pag lumapit siya.
Para CCTV.
Boy, serious? Magagalit.
Nay, kapuso. Rising stars ng kapuso. Network. Patricia Poma.
Creepy.
Ito, di ba si Cindy? So makakasend si Truman.
I'm gonna run away and take the ball if I have to. Hey.
Nilang sa babae ka.
Ay, dapat saan ba? Dapat dito?
May paano rin yung ano bukas ay...
Yes!
O, diba? Professional gaslighter talaga siya. May dala siyang lights.
Kasi light.
Chito, happy. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom out.
Baby, harap.
Diba? Binamoto niya.
Action.
Bye na talaga tuloy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ay, ano ba yan?